Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to this mini camera basics course where I want to take you from zero to cinematic hero. Regardless whether you're just starting out and know absolutely nothing or you're just trying to brush up your skills, these videos will guide you through everything you need to know to become a self-sufficient content creator, going from buying a camera to hitting export. This video is all about your camera's focus. Getting it right can make or break your shot, so let's explore manual focus, autofocus, and the different zones within. Focus is what is sharp compared to what is blurry. There's not really much else to say. You can see me, I'm sharp in focus, and the background is blurry. 20 years ago, this wouldn't have even been a conversation. Manual focus was the only thing to use. Manual focus is, as described, when you manually control the focus on the barrel of your lens, whereas autofocus is when you let the camera control the focus for you. In today's world, autofocus is so good that in many situations you don't actually need manual focus. But of course, there's always a time and a place for both. When using autofocus, there's ways to ensure that the camera is set up correctly to ensure you get the best results. And that would be using autofocus zones. And in the newer cameras, that is face and eye tracking. So these autofocus zones are setting areas in the camera of where you'd like to prioritize the focus. So you have your wide zones where it's just any and everything, and this I wouldn't recommend. Then you have your larger zones that cover bigger portions of the frame, and finally the smaller zones, which are a lot more specific. Depending on what you're filming and how much the camera or the subject is moving will determine which zone is best to use. They each have their pros and cons. For example, because I know in this video I'm not moving around a lot, I have quite a small zone. But if I move over here, I moved out of focus because I'm no longer in that zone. If I was filming something that's moving around quite a lot, I'd probably place a larger zone so it doesn't have to be so specific. Eye tracking is a game changer when it comes to filming people. Your camera locks onto the subject's eyes and ensuring it stays in focus even if the subject is moving around. And this is a general rule even when you're using manual focus. The eyes are the most important part you want to stay in focus. When you're looking at someone, you're most of the time looking into their eyes. So if the eyes are blurry, it just puts you off a little bit. And the main tool that helps you show what is and isn't in focus is focus peaking. This indicates what's in focus by highlighting the edge of the area. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments down below. But with that being said, if you got a lesson, laugh, or light bulb moment from this video, I'd really appreciate if you drop a like down below. And if you're feeling extra nice, you could hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, I will catch you in the next one. See ya.